Two angles are said to be supplementary angles if and only if the sum of both the angles is equal to 180 degree. And if this condition is satisfied, then we will say that the two angles are supplement to each other. Like in this example, in this diagram and in this one, angle ABC is equal to 120 degree and angle PQR is equal to 60 degree. If you add these two angles, then you'll get 180 degree. Therefore, angle ABC and angle PQR are supplementary angles and these two angles are supplement to each other. Now what about this one? Angle ABC is equal to 160 degree and angle PQR is equal to 20 degree. Therefore, the sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Therefore, angle ABC and angle PQR are supplementary angles and both these angles are supplement to each other. Let's solve some problems related to supplementary angles. Are these two angles supplement to each other? Well, 90 degree plus 90 degree is 180 degree. Yes, these two angles are supplementary angles. What about this one? Angle ABC is equal to 45 degree and angle PQR is equal to 70 degree. If you add these two angles, then the sum will 115 degree. So 115 degree is not equal to 180 degree. Therefore, these two angles are not supplementary. What about this one? 120 degree plus 60 degree is equal to 180 degree. Therefore, yes, these two angles are supplementary angles. Next problem. What will be the measure of the supplement of each of the following angles? 125 degree, 110 degree and 75 degree. So what would be the supplement of this 125 degree? If it is asked that what would be the supplement, it means that the next angle that it is being talked of about is actually both these angles, this one and that angle are supplementary angles and you have to find a supplement one. So if this is 125 degree, let the next angle be x. So 125 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree because the two angles are complementary, supplementary. If you'll solve this, you'll get x is equal to 180 degree minus 125 degree and you will get x is equal to 55 degree. What about this one? In this case, let's suppose the next angle is y. Therefore, 110 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree and this will be y is equal to 180 degree minus 110 degree and you will get y is equal to 70 degree. So this is the supplement of 110 degree. What about this one? Let's suppose that the next angle, the supplement for 75 degree is P. Therefore, 75 degree plus angle P, the measure of angle P is equal to 180 degree since they are supplementary angles. From this you will get P is equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree and you will get P is equal to 105 degree. Okay. Among two supplementary angles, the measure of the larger angle is 44 degree more than the measure of the smaller angle. Find their measures. Now, we know that two angles will be supplementary angles if their sum is equal to 180 degree. In this case, we have supposed that let the two angles, the two supplement angles are actually x and y because we don't know about the measurement of these two angles. We don't know about the measurement of these two angles. Okay. So what's the condition given to us? The measure of the larger angle is 44 degree more than the measure of the smaller angle. Let us suppose that x is the larger angle and y is the smaller angle. assume it. Now what's given to us is the measure of the larger angle, that is x, is equal to 44 degree more than the measure of the smaller angle. So y plus 44 degree, because this condition has been given to us that the larger angle is actually 44 degree more than the smaller angle. Now you can put this value of x here, put it here, and you will get y plus 44 degree at the place of x plus y is equal to 180 degree. What we have done here, we have simply put this value of x, that is equal to y plus 44 degree, at the place of x. If you solve this, you will get y plus 44 degree plus y is equal to 180 degree. This means 2y plus 44 degree is equal to 180 degree. Applying transposition method, this will be 2y is equal to 180 degree minus 44 degree. Why? Because transposition will change this plus sign to minus sign, and this will be 2y is equal to, if you do subtract 44 from 180, how much you'll get? You will get 136, 140, 136 degree. Okay, now applying transposition method on 2, it will be y is equal to 136 degree divided by 2. So if you solve this, you will get y is equal to 68 degree. So if y is equal to 68 degree, then from this equation that we have here, you can find the value of x. Just keep this y, that is 68 degree at here, and then plus 44 degree, because this condition has been given to us. Now if you solve for this one, x will be equal to 68 plus 472 and 112 degree. So the two angles, the measure of two angles are 112 degree and 68 degree. Now let's solve this problem. Can two acute angles be supplementary? Now we know that acute angles means what? Those angles which are between 0 degree and 90 degree. They should lie between these two degrees, that is 0 and 90. Well, even if we assume that our supplementary angle, our acute angle is actually 89 degree. Both angles are at 89 degree. Even if we add these two angles, then you will get only 178 degree. Of course, this 178 degree is less than 180 degree, right? So it means that if you add two acute angles, there is no way you can get supplementary angles. Two acute angles cannot be supplement to each other because they are not supplementary angles. Their sum cannot be equal to 180 degree. Okay. What about this one? Can two obtuse angles be supplementary? Now we know that an angle will be an obtuse angle only if and only if they are greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Now, if two angles are obtuse, even if they are 91 degree, let's say even if they are 91 degree, right? So if even both of them are 91 degree, and they are obtuse angles. If you add these two, then what you will get? You will get 182 degree. Now, for two angles to be supplementary, their sum should be equal to 180 degree. But you can clearly see that if you add two obtuse angles, then you'll get the sum will be greater than 180 degree, like in this case, right? So there is no way that two obtuse angles can be supplementary. What about this one? Two right angles be supplementary? Yes, of course they can. Right angles means what? The two angles should be 90 degree and 90 degree. So if we add two right angles, that is 90 degree and 90 degree, the sum will be what? 180 degree. And that is what the condition of a supplementary angles is, that the sum should be equal to 180 degree.